make this darling little gift that you can give at Christmas. And it's so easy, so quick, and anybody who would get it, I think they'll like it. It's going to be a baked apple kit. So let's get started. Start with buying your apples, wash and dry them. Pick thin-skinned apples such as a Honey Crisp, a Fuji, a Pink Lady, or even a Yellow Delicious apple. Next, select what dish you're going to give this gift away in. This particular gift is great because when you give it, they'll be able to use it all year to store some food in. This, of course, they can make a little pie in, and it's just cute. And this is a holiday dish, so select that. I even selected a large dish that would hold 4 apples. Start by getting little containers and filling them with 2 tablespoons of raisin and 1 tablespoon of chopped nuts. Then you're also going to need little containers with 1 tablespoon of sugar and a dash of cinnamon. I'm going to start with this one. Fold up a paper towel and put that down first. The reason for the paper towel is that when you microwave this, it will make a mess in your microwave. So if you're giving a gift, you don't really want to make a mess for somebody. Put your mixtures on the side. You're going to want 4 toothpicks because after I show you how to put this together, I'm going to show you the instructions for making it. So open up your plastic. You could use a shrink wrap. This one's not a shrink wrap, but you could use shrink wrap. Just bring all the sides up together. I find if I get a rubber band, I can twist it around the cellophane paper, and that will help me hold it in place when I'm making a bow. Next, I simply tie a ribbon around. You're going to tie it fairly tightly. On the ribbon, you can put the instructions for how to put this baked apple together. You can also just tie on a nice Christmas card. And there you have it. It's all ready to give. Fluff up the bow a little bit too. Nice. Now I'm going to show you how to put this together. I'll give you the instructions in the description below. And the single serve you will microwave, but you could bake it. The 4 apples, though, you would have to bake in the oven, and I'll have instructions in the description below. Slice off the top portion of the apple, it's only about 1/4 inch, and now start coring it. I'm just using a melon corer. I find that it works easier than an actual apple corer. And I'm going to turn it over and get out this bottom portion. You can see I've come all the way through. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting my raisins and my nuts in the bottom of my dish. Just spread them out a little bit evenly. And this is a little trick to make it easier to eat. What I am doing is I am putting little cuts all the way up the apple from the skin on the bottom to the skin on the top. I'm doing this at about 1/4 inch apart. And the reason I do this is when you go to eat the apple, the skin often wants to come out all at once with one bite. This will help a little bit. There we go. Get that nice and secure on there. And I am adding the cinnamon and sugar now. I'll put the top of the apple back on. It just helps to steam it. And then I'm putting toothpicks in. These toothpicks are going to hold the paper towel up off the apple so that when it's steaming in the microwave, we'll put the paper towel on it, and that will help prevent stickiness in the microwave. Next, pour on about 3 tablespoons of water and stick it in the microwave for 5 to 6 minutes. Here it is, from this to this. So I hope you make this gift, and I hope that you just share the love and make it be the love of Christ. I forgot to do a taste test. This is delicious. It's like eating apple pie. Again, I hope you like it, subscribe, and of course, share.